How to install Samsara Driver app. So just tap get and then double click to install. It's a pretty cool app, all-in-one app. The free Samsara Driver app provides drivers with dispatch, job management, hours of service, and driver vehicle inspection reporting. DVIR. An easy-to-use interface means less paperwork, improved compliance, and greater visibility across the entire fleet. So yeah, you can see here electronic DVIR, diode approved logs. So yeah, this is the app. And then yeah, here you just need to sign in with your fleet ID, username and password, and then just try to use it. Pretty cool app. It's growing in popularity among drivers very rapidly.